Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and now let's tap on the security. Now let's scroll down a little and tap on encryption and credentials, and at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to remove all the contents, so let's tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.